My favorite thing to do at work right now is closely understand clients' unique needs and preferences. Now, my generation, luckily, it's the largest home buying and selling generation. We value work-life balance, collaboration, technology, and continuous learning with development processes in place. As a top real estate agent, I know that the number one mistake new home sellers make is over-improving marketable items rather than focusing on value items, the things that make the house sell for more money. It's very easy to confuse what will make a home sell faster versus what will get the best price. In the past, I made a mistake of telling sellers to do an intense amount of work to their homes just to prove my experience. But really now, I'm telling you, my approach is different. I work closely with our clients to understand what's truly important to them while getting out of their own way. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I forgot to tell you about this. If it needs to be fixed, fix it. If it looks bad, make it better. If it's been annoying to you, it will be annoying to others. Feedback from the typical buyer will have no problem telling you everything they don't like about your house versus anything that they do. Listen, if you're worried that your home doesn't have the latest smart home technology and all the latest tech in general, just remember that the current voiced generation has never lived without computers. They believe that because of technology, they can work flexibly anytime, anywhere, and should be evaluated on work product, not how, when, or where it gets done. So keep this in mind when you're developing or improving your house. I'm sure that you have all had to deal with outdated kitchens or bathrooms. But have you had to deal with a lack of open, collaborative spaces? The current home buying generation prefers diversity, technology, informality, and fun in their work environments. They're looking for meaningful work and innovation and may be the first to readily accept older leadership. So this is the guide on how you get your home ready, some of the tips from the back end, and by understanding certain specific preferences and addressing certain clients' needs, we can usually and pretty much promise every time that we can ensure a smooth and successful home selling experience, which will then always lead and hopefully into a home buying experience.